In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Pinterest desktop pin that doesn't expire. Pinterest pins don't technically expire, but making one that stays discoverable and useful over time comes down to how you set it up. Let's walk through the full process on desktop so your pin can keep working for you long after you publish. Start by opening Pinterest on your computer. On the left side of the screen, look for the plus icon. Click it, then choose Pin. This opens the pin creation tool where you'll add your content and details. Next, upload your asset. Click Choose a File, or simply drag and drop your video into the upload area. Give it a moment to process. High quality, clear footage and a strong thumbnail help your pin earn saves and clicks over time, so choose the best version you have. Now add a title. Keep it concise, descriptive, and keyword rich so people instantly understand what they'll get. Think of what someone would type to find this exact content and mirror that phrasing naturally. In the description box, expand on the value. Write 1 to 3 short sentences that explain what viewers will learn, see, or be inspired by. Use natural language and relevant keywords, but avoid stuffing. Clarity beats cleverness here, and it helps Pinterest match your pin to the right audience. Add your link, paste the destination URL where you want viewers to go, whether that's a blog post, product page, or landing page. Test the link for accuracy so you don't waste the traffic your pin earns over time. Choose a board. Select the most relevant board so Pinterest understands the context of your pin. Board to pin alignment improves distribution and helps the right people find it later. Add tagged topics. Pick topics that closely reflect your content. This is another signal that helps Pinterest categorize your pin for long-term discovery. If your pin features items for sale, use tag products. Tagging products connects inspiration to action and can keep the pin useful months or even years from now. If any part of your content was created or edited with AI, click Mark as AI modified. Transparency builds trust and keeps you aligned with platform guidelines. When everything looks good, click Publish. Your pin is now live. To keep it evergreen, stick to timeless titles and descriptions, use quality visuals, and link to pages that you plan to maintain. That's how you create a Pinterest desktop pin that doesn't expire in practice, because it continues to be relevant, searchable, and valuable over time.